Here's the ingredients for our recipe today. Baby back ribs, soy sauce, Sprite or 7-Up, banana ketchup, bay leaves and ground black pepper. Let's start to our marination. In a large bowl, put the pork ribs and pour the soy sauce. Next, pour the Sprite. Add garlic and ground black pepper. Then stir until the pork soak in the mixture. Marinate for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, let's begin cooking. Pour the oil in the hot pan and carefully put the pork one by one. Cook the pork ribs and wait until become light brown. Mix well to cook the pork ribs evenly. When the pork ribs become light brown, pour the marination sauce. Add the bay leaves. And stir. When the mixture boiling, pour the banana ketchup. Mix well. Cook in low heat until the meat become tender. When meat is tender, let's serve. Put in the plate together with rice and enjoy. Baby back ribs adobo in Sprite. Very delicious and it's easy to cook. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated when I uploaded new video recipe. Thank you and God bless.